Hey guys, it's me ILVA Crafts and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make some really cute hair bows. All we need for this is white fabric or any fabric that you prefer. This is 33 by 10 centimeters. Then we need this little piece of fabric which is around 6 or 7 with 2 centimeters. Scissors, a black pen, needles, white thread, some pins, hot glue gun, and you can use this kind of hair clip or a hair tie. First of all, take the big piece of fabric and fold it in half. To keep it tight, I decided to secure it with a couple of pins. And then by using the black marker, we are going to draw the lines that we are going to sew on top. So here at the corner you want to draw not a straight line because we want the bow to look more of a Sailor Moon bow. And do the same thing on the other side and try to make them symmetrical. And then we're going to draw a straight line until the middle of the bow, just to have an idea where to sew it. And this is very important. Don't forget to let a gap on the middle of the fabric because there's the part where we're gonna sew it. You can definitely sew it by hand, but I decided to sew it with a sewing machine just to make it quicker. And then we're gonna flip it inside out. And here's a trick for you guys. You can use a pencil to make the end part more sharp and pull the fabric out. And after this, you want to go ahead and iron it just to flatten it down. Here it is, I ironed it, and as you remember, we had that little gap in the middle of the fabric, and you should definitely sew it, but this time I'm using some hot glue gun. And now we're gonna flip it in like this, and make sure that each side is symmetrical. That's a very important step. Flip it on the other side just like this. And we're going to use some white thread to sew it in the middle. As you can see, I'm trying to sew it in the middle of the bow by just doing 3 to 4 stitches. As you can see, I'm trying to put the glued part inside and just rearrange it a bit to look more neat. And after you're happy with the way that it formed, you can definitely sew it 2 or 3 more times to secure it. And then just wrap the thread sometimes around the fabric and tie it at the back. And this is how it turned out. Now we're going to take the little piece and fold it in half twice. I decided to secure it with a needle because we have to iron it. After ironing it, I used some hot glue gun to stick the 2 pieces together. And then all you have to do is to glue this little string on the bow by using hot glue gun, but you can definitely sew it too. And the bow is basically done. All you have to glue the pin on and we're done. But as I said, you can definitely glue a hair tie. That would be very cute too. And you guys, we are done. I feel like it was very simple. I really like the way that it turned out. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want other tutorials of bows. And don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, ILVA Craft Shorts, and also follow me at my Instagram. I hope you understood the process because I'm not very good at explaining. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!